This delicious breakfast casserole recipe has a Southwest flavor, super easy, mild in flavor, and it can even be made the night before. Hi friends, welcome. Today I have a very yummy breakfast recipe for you that you can make on a special occasion or just eat it any day of the week. If you're like me, I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal of the day, and I can eat this one in particular morning, noon, and night. So let's get started. Okay, for this recipe, I am using 4 big croissants, but certainly you can use the bread of your choice. I've made it with sourdough before, and it turned out just as delicious. So we've got our croissants. I've got 6 eggs, 1 cup of milk, a little bit of paprika and black pepper. Then I've got a cup of cheese, 1 small can of green diced chilies. And then for this recipe, I'm going to be using just a half a package of breakfast sausage with a half of onion cooked with that breakfast sausage. Okay, I have my casserole dish sprayed with some nonstick spray, and I'm just going to tear this croissant up. I'm not going to take time to dice it up. We're just going to rip it into little pieces and chunks and just throw it all in your pan. Okay, I have all my bread in the pan. Now we're going to move on to our egg mixture. And start cracking all the eggs. Then we're just going to whisk them around. Okay, now we're going to add our cup of milk and just kind of mix our egg mixture around. Then we're going to pour it over our bread and then add our diced green chilies. And then we're going to stir it all around and just kind of press down and saturate all those bread pieces with our egg mixture. And I like to do this first, and then I move on to the breakfast sausage. That way this can soak a little bit and get all that egg mixture in there. Okay, we've got this mixed up. Now we're going to move on to our breakfast sausage. And we have it cooked now with our cooked onions, and we're just going to add this into our casserole. Smells delicious. Okay, now I'm going to stir it all in again. So good. Looks yummy. And you just want to make sure you get everything mixed evenly. Okay, we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. And we're going to add some cheese before we pop it in the oven. I've got 1 cup of cheese here. Again, you can adjust this to your liking. Here we are, a nice golden brown breakfast casserole with green chilies. It looks delicious, and of course it tastes delicious. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.